Welcome friends, welcome to my channel VENUSTECHPULSE. In the last class we have started string data type and we have already read about what is string, its syntax, note and many other things. Accessing character of a string and how we can access a string, that is using two ways, that is using index or using slice operator. Accessing character by using index, there are three types, that is Python support both positive and negative index. Python index means left to right, that is forward direction, and Python negative index means right to left, that is backward direction. Now suppose we have taken an example, s is equal to Sachin, s is equal to 0 index, that means we are pointing to s. If s is 4, then we are pointing to I. If s is -1, we are pointing to from the backward direction, that is a. S of 10, it is an index error because there are no such 10 indexes here. Okay, that is why it will show you the index error. If you are trying to access character of string without of range index, then we will get error saying index error. There is another example on string. Suppose s is equal to input, enter the string I is equal to 0 for x in s, print character at positive index and at negative index, format I comma I minus length of s. Length of x means it's a length of s comma x. So how it will be written? Enter the string Raja, character at positive index 0 and at negative index -4 is R. If we are counting from the forward, that is R is on the 0 position, and if from the backward direction the negative index will be -4. Okay, character at positive index 1 and at negative index -3. From the forward, A is on 1 position, and from the backward direction A, the second A, is on -3 position. It will print A. For J, the character index will be at 2 for the positive index and negative index will be -2, and for last one A, from the forward direction, that is positive index will be 3 and at negative index it will be -1. So friend, I have already explained you about the string data type and its index position, and I think this is the two examples which are very helpful to you in the count of how to identify the index in string data type. Okay, our next is accessing character by using slice operator. Accessing character by using slice operator. Suppose syntax. What is syntax? Syntax is s, beginning index, end index and step. Begin index, from where we have to consider slice substring. End index, we have to terminate the slice, that is substring. And step is incremented value, and the step is incremented value, and the step is incremented value. So there is a note. If we do not specify beginning index, then it will also consider from beginning of the string. If we are not specifying end index, then it will consider up to end of the string. Default value for step is 1. Default value is always 1, means count 1 after 1. 1 from the first 0, 1, 2, like this one. S is equal to Python language. S 1, this is the beginning index, index is 5, step is 1. It will start from 1 position, that is P 0 position, Y is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, it is the 0, so 1 2 3 4 5 and one after another, y t h o. And if s 1, the beginning index is 1 and end index is 7, then it will be, what will the index? Then it will be the YTHON. Okay. If S is 1, beginning index 1, 7 is the end index, and the step value is 2, then it will be YHN. S, there is no beginning index, only the end index, then it will print PYTHON. F is only the beginning index, then what will be the end index? If you are not specifying end index, then it will consider up to the end of the string. That will be the language, last Python language. Now the Python will not be printed and the language will be only printed here. If S is beginning index and end index and step value is not printed, then whole string will be printed. Python language. S just 1 colon, no beginning index, no end index, no step value. Full Python language. S is to -1, then it will be printed for in the backward manner, PYTHON LAN, it will be in the printed in backward manner. So friends, this is our string data type, and with example I have given you my in this video I have given you the string index, how we can access the string index, and what is the beginning and what is the end index. So in the next video we are coming with the more string elements and more string documents with string topic. For today I have to say goodbye, and please like, share my channel, subscribe my channel, comment my channel, and along with comment my channel, along with if there is any video you are to needed, so please click on the I button link, please click on the I button link, okay, to get the other videos regarding Python. Thank you.